Good afternoon all of you. My name is Jayashree. I am from BCA EQ Batch 2, 3rd Sem. Today I am going to explain the topic that is final keyword and final method. We all know that how we declare any variable in Java. We have to write data type, after that we write the variable name, and after we declare the variable name. But if you want to declare any constant value, you have to use the final keyword. Basically, final keyword in Java is used to restrict the user. You want to declare any constant value that we can't change throughout the program. We have to declare as a constant, as a final. The Java final keyword can be assigned in many contexts, that is final variable, final method, final classes. Final variable is that to create constant value that you can't change over throughout the program, and final method that we create to prevent method overriding, and the final class is to create the prevent inheritance. So how we declare any final keyword, how we make the variable constant, we have to use the final keyword. Final keyword, after that you write the data type, and after you write the constant name. As the naming convention of the Java, we declare the constant name as a capital letter. So this is the final and the data type. After that I declare the PI 3.14. And why you make the static before final? Because like if you want to access the value and you don't want to declare any object, we take it as a variable, as a constant name, and we have to assign public to abroad it's the scope that we use the constant value from any other classes. So this is the final keyword. This is the example of final keyword. I take the class by. In this I declare the speed as a constant and the value is 90. And when method is run, the speed is 400, and I'm going to run this program and show what is the output. Yeah. First I make the final as a static, and here by making the static keyword, we just write the constant name value to access the value of the speed. So first I just remove the static value, then we see what is the output. You see that it is not static variable, so static method can't access non-static variable. So we have to make the variable static to take from the variable name. Just I am going to keep the word static. Program is it will not give any error because I make the constant as static. Now I am going to show that if we declare any constant value, and if you redeclare the constant value, what will the error? So see here, this is the speed like 100. And now I'm going. I declare the speed as 200. So I'm going to run this program and show the output. This program is done successfully because I make the object of that class, and I just here it gives because I reassign the value of string, that is 200. It will give the error that we can't reassign the value if we make the variable constant. It runs successfully at speed 100 and I first declare 100. So basically this is the how we declare a constant value in the Java. Now I am going to tell you that how we declare any final method in Java. Basically, final method is used to prevent the overriding. Just we make the class A and class B. If you extend the class A, we just override the parent derived class, override the value of the parent class. So to prevent the overriding, we just make the value method as a constant. So basically, we see this is the syntax that we have to declare as the constant method, that access is specified. After that, we have to write the final keyword, and after that we have to write the return type and the function name. So this is the example I am going to give the example to explain how the final method works in the Java. In class main, I declared the final method, that is display, and in this class it is the derived class. I declared the final method, that is the final method is overridden. So basically this will give the error because we are not override the final method in class main. Just we can't reassign the final method in the demo class. So basically it will give the error. So I just want to remove this. It runs successfully because I am not redeclared the final method, and I take the main class and then make the object obj, and after that I created a new method display. So this is how we declare any constant value and any final method in Java. That's it.